How could cold fusion end the energy crisis? Imagine a world where powering your home costs almost nothing and pollution becomes a thing of the past. That's the promise some see in cold fusion, a mysterious energy idea that could change everything. Cold fusion is different from traditional nuclear fusion, which needs super high temperatures and pressures to force atoms together. Instead, cold fusion claims that nuclear reactions could happen at or near room temperature. If true, it could produce huge amounts of clean energy from tiny fuel amounts, like simple water. This could mean no more reliance on fossil fuels, which pollute the air and cause climate change. It could also reduce the need for nuclear power plants that create dangerous waste. The idea first caught attention in the late 1980s when scientists said they saw nuclear reactions happening in simple lab setups. They used heavy water, which is water with a special kind of hydrogen, and metal electrodes like palladium. Some experiments showed more heat than they put in, which suggested nuclear fusion was happening. But these results were inconsistent and hard to repeat, so most scientists dismissed cold fusion as a mistake or experimental error. Still, a small group of researchers kept studying it, calling it low-energy nuclear reactions. They believe unknown physical processes might be at work, maybe involving quantum effects or undiscovered nuclear pathways. Some experiments have shown small excess heat, strange particles, or changes in materials, but nothing has proven cold fusion is real yet. If cold fusion could be proven and harnessed, it might revolutionize how we produce energy. Imagine power plants that fit in a garage, making massive energy from tiny fuel amounts. No smoke, no radioactive waste, and no risk of meltdowns. Homes, cars, and even spacecraft could run on this technology, making energy cheap and available everywhere. Remote villages could have reliable electricity without power lines. Desalination plants could turn seawater into fresh water at low costs. Factories could operate without polluting the air. And climate change could slow down because cold fusion would not release greenhouse gases. But for now, cold fusion remains a strange and controversial idea. It's an experiment with odd results that has not yet fulfilled its promise. The physics behind it is not well understood, and the technology is far from ready for everyday use. Still, the hope of a simple, clean, and nearly endless energy source keeps scientists curious. Cold fusion remains one of the most intriguing mysteries in modern science, and many believe that someday, it might just change the world.